Today, I want to show you how we can create a fabulous and stunning background using glitter HTV. I have the gold one with me today. To use it, we need to peel off the clear layer from our HTV. As you can see, I've already embroidered the base, that is, the first color for the letters, so you can see exactly where to place your HTV. Remove the top layer and select the thread color you need. I recommend placing a thread roll directly onto your HTV, and you'll see how well it matches your embroidery. Because the embroidery will be overstitched, many customers love this feature. Then, the HTV doesn't bubble and wears longer in the wash, making it more durable. I attach the HTV with a small piece of tape to secure it during embroidery, ensuring it doesn't shift. We're now stitching through the glitter HTV, creating a very interesting effect that looks striking and is also very comfortable to wear. Now our little diamonds are embroidered through the glitter HTV, and it's time to finish our project. We won't be embroidering any further. Our next step is to peel off the glitter HTV along the edges. If some parts don't come off, you might need scissors to cut off the small remaining pieces. Don't forget to iron your project at the end after you have removed all your HTV. It is essential to iron through a cooking parchment or another special paper to ensure your HTV does not stick to the iron. Remember this: if you do not iron it, the HTV will come off after washing and it will be impossible to reattach. Therefore, pressing is a must. You can use this glitter HTV on any items that do not have very high pile, meaning on smooth surfaces. Feel free to embroider any names or slogans. Also, take the opportunity to explore other font styles offered by Artapli.